everyone, it is Mike Less here, and harvest is officially over for us here in Darke County, Ohio. We finished harvest on the farm that I help out on Saturday, November 2nd, and I already posted that video. We had a versatile Delta Track 570 here from WMS Equipment out of Upper Sandusky, Ohio. And if you have not seen that video, please go back and check it out. That Delta Track made a sweet grain cart tractor. But anyways, we put the 365 back on the grain cart here, and we are helping another farm that we work with during harvest and some other things get their harvest wrapped up. This video was filmed over a couple different days and a couple evenings, so lots of action in this video. Got, of course, the two combines on the farm I help out on, the Case International 5130 and the John Deere S670. Both of them have appeared in my other videos, and then the farm we're helping also has a John Deere S670. You can see that in the back there, getting that piece opened up. So I got some drone footage here of all three combines and so forth, and then I got to get busy back in the grain cart tractor. It was hard keeping up here with three combines. At one point, I think we had 8 semis in the field hauling grain. Of course, 3 combines, 3 tractors, and grain carts. It's just awesome. This was fun, finishing up harvest this way with everybody working together and really knocking out the acres. The first 13 minutes of this video are various drone and cab footage shots that I took. And then after that, it is nothing but drone footage that was shot, and some pretty good drone footage. So some of it might make you dizzy, a lot of good fly arounds of the equipment and so forth. So if you watch this video all the way through, like I said, the last 20 plus minutes are just nothing but good drone footage. Good drone footage in my opinion. I figured I better state that in my opinion, because I've had a couple people lately tell me my drone footage sucks. And working together with this farm, getting their harvest wrapped up, everything was officially done on Friday evening, November 8th. So definitely a lot better than last year. Last year we finished the Saturday after Thanksgiving, so we had a pretty good run this year. So weather was pretty good this year. Last year I know we had a lot of rain and stuff, a lot of big rains during harvest, and had to track a lot of mud and so forth. But overall, this year, especially for figuring the crops got planted late and then we had kind of a drought in the summer, overall I'd say yields were pretty decent. Of course, you had those spots in the spring that you planted that got drowned out and flooded and nothing come up. But anyways, at the end here, moisture was getting down in that 16-17% range. Yields, they were definitely not as good as last year, but were pretty good given the circumstances. So could have always been a lot worse. So I think everybody was pretty happy with the results this year. And as the harvest finished up, we was able to unhook the 365, and I will have some tillage videos coming up with that. That tractor is a powerhouse. We did pull a Salford 9-shank disc ripper with it, and also the McFarlane Insight vertical till tool. So those videos will be coming up in the future. Actually, as I'm narrating this video right here, we're still doing tillage with it, so weather's been favorable for that too. So yep, stay tuned. I got a lot of good stuff coming to the channel, and I do have some other harvest videos from some other farms. And the versatile 365 tractor in the J&M 1112 grain cart is setting still because the guy that's supposed to be running that is screwing around flying the drone. So with that said, I think I better land the drone and get to work. And I figured I'd include a little nighttime drone footage of all three combines running in the field here. 66,000 pounds of corn up that hill. Not that it's a real steep hill, but I think it's the first time I felt the front wheels actually kick in on this tractor since we've had it on the grain cart. 3 combines, 2 grain carts. We're not keeping up with the grain carts, but the trucks are keeping up, so we got more guys on the truck. Still 1 tractor and grain cart setting, not enough people. There's a coyote. There was a total of 4 coyotes working this field here. Of course, there's rabbits in the corn, so they work and try to get the rabbits out as the combine flushes them out. We did see 1 coyote with a rabbit, so also kicked a couple deer out of here, some does, and there was a decent sized buck. So lots of action out here in the field today. And here's the best I could do of getting all 3 combines running together. 2 green and 1 red. We got this field done. They're gonna move fields, empty trucks, and I'm gonna go make some stacks. This might be a problem. I have a more in-depth video of the Heston stack hand on my YouTube channel, so if you've not seen that video, go back and check it out. The rest of the video here is going to be nothing but drone footage. I had a coworker down here from the office up in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and he does a lot of the versatile promotional stuff, runs their social media accounts and so forth, does a lot of the photography for the brochures and whatnot. So he had a lot of equipment to bring down here, but he did not bring the company drone down here. So he asked if he could use mine. He's a pretty good drone pilot. So I said, yeah, you can use it, but you got to get some footage for me too. So anyways, good chance we'll see this versatile 365 in this grain cart and some versatile promotional stuff, maybe some brochures and whatnot. And also we unhooked the grain cart and we pulled a chisel plow with it, and he got a lot of good footage of that too. So stay tuned for that. It was actually fun driving the tractor here, having a drone flying around me, since it's usually the other way around. I'm flying a drone around other people. So anyways, like I said, it was a good thing, and sometimes it sneaks up on you and scares you a little bit. I may officially be done with grain carting for the 2019 season, at least here in Ohio anyhow, unless I go help somebody else. But anyways, gonna go unhook the grain cart here and hook up a disc ripper.